Hello, everybody. My name is Emmanuel Reed, and I'm standing right where the action started 1 year ago, right at 119th and Western, as we prepare to begin our Pursue Unity event and walk 24 miles across the length of Chicago. This year, we have a big goal of $200,000. We need people like you to support us as we invest in the future of Chicago.
I think that this is something that is really beneficial for the city, and I hope that it stretches from south to north, bringing everybody together.
And here we are, touching Evanston on the northernmost part of Chicago. We will see you September 25th, bright and early at 6 a.m., starting on the south side and going all the way north, ending up right here.
You guys can look for us at our website. There you can find all the information that you guys are looking for. But on the day of, make sure that when you walk with us,
You walk in unity. We'll see you September 25th.